What's up, you guys? Welcome to my new bomb video. So today I'm going to be talking about two different whitening strips. We have their whitening strip kit, and then we also have their whitening light kit. So their whitening strip kit has 14 white strips in here, and they're super easy to apply. Natural, great qualities. You get an upper strip and a bottom strip for your teeth, and they're just great to use. You leave these on for about an hour, and then after an hour, don't have a liquid to really get effective white teeth, and you can use this a couple times a week. So I will be showing you how to use this in this video, but then I also want to show you their Super Smile Teeth Whitening Strip. This is, again, 14 applications, but what's kind of different about this is you get a light here and you get your typical whitening tray, but instead of like a liquid you're applying to this, you apply white strips. So you apply the same white strips on your teeth, and then you put the tray in your mouth and you apply the light. It's super different than anything I've done, but it whitens your teeth super effectively. So for our whitening strips here, I'm going to show you how to use it. So they're super simple. Make sure you brush your teeth prior. Don't have any liquid while you wear them, but here it is. So I put them on, like they're pretty easy to apply. What I normally do is you have like your upper and lower strip. I kind of like which one goes on which because they both go, but this one is for the lowers, I'm pretty sure. So I go like this, kind of have to like get it to fit in because it's sticky. And you like fold it in once it's in, and secure, it stays. And then same with the upper. Super simple. And again, you just fold it on, they stay on. They're kind of like crest white strips, but different. I find them more effective. I just leave it on while I do homework because I don't know how crest white strips, if you leave it on for this long, but they're made in the UK. You get a 60-day money-back guarantee if you don't like them. Buy it at a discount. So shop it down below and let me know what you think.